The real ambition of InkPulse was to bring together industry print leaders to really hear their insights, hear their honest view of what's happening on the ground, the lessons learned, and to really share that understanding around the table, because you learn the most from other people.
A traditional event that you go to, it's around meeting different people but being spoken to by the supplier for the majority of the day, whereas actually this has brought leaders together speaking about their different challenges, their experiences, just to understand what different organisations are doing, how they're trying to overcome their challenges, and then what they want to do in terms of growth within the print industry and beyond as well, that we've spoken about today when we talk about data and further upstream and having different conversations with their customers and what that's going to bring in the next 5 years. I think that's been a real positive.
The InkPulse Summit, for me, it's nice to speak to different leaders in the industry across multiple companies and countries. But what I have realized is we all have the same challenge, just in a different way.
The main things I'm taking from the InkPulse Summit is that we just launched Web to Print. It's called printlover.com, which again, with the automation and integration of AI, etc., which they were talking about at the summit, would give us that edge.
Being several times doing things like this with Ricoh, it's always very well organized, very professional way, and with very good speakers. This networking was really helpful to understand how the others are doing things, what we are doing, what everybody can just give as an experience return. And finally, this helps a lot to think about a bit more what we have to change in our companies or to improve, because we are most of the time hands-on, and just being able to go out of our daily business for 2 days and talk with our peers and some experts in this industry helps a lot.
I find generally the high level of interaction. These are real people in the real world and doing real stuff. That to me is exciting, because I can learn from what other people are doing properly, and how workflow systems, a lot of the angst is taken out of the process of producing a book. Then I've learned something, I've achieved something.
The highlight is the discussion about how AI will impact our business, especially in print, and what it means for a production business like us. It was very interesting how we can connect our business to AI agents in the future, and what is the impact about who is our customer in the future. Is it the customer, which is it today, or is it an agent like Gemini or whatever? Because that's what we are working on at the moment. That's the most interesting part. And of course, what Ricoh delivers in this context with AI, with automation, was also very interesting.
I think the things that stuck with me, I like the idea that we should act like doctors, educate our customers that we know what we're talking about and we can deliver a better product if we're educating them. The 9500, didn't realise we could do an 800 mic stock on that, so that's something I'd like to take back with me.
This morning has been very interesting. I've learned a lot, where you can engage with peers, where you can network, where you can learn from each other in a safe way. It's a confidential space, so everybody here is willing to share their experience, willing to learn from each other. So it's a great opportunity to network and to learn, especially to learn.